What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Carnage from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then out. Let's line at the bottom over on the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now I want to create a point coming down, and we'll bend this out and then up. Let's continue working across the top of the eye. So back on the left, bend this around and then up. And then we'll create a point coming down and out. And then we'll add a hook going up and then in. Now let's work our way around the outside. From the top, bend this out and then taper down towards the bottom. And then from here, bend this up and then down. Let's bend the eye, coming down around the outside and then in. And then from here, curve the eye coming up and then down toward that bottom point. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the teeth. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Come down and up toward the left and right side. Let's add a few more teeth on either side. We're going to bend this around and then down. Then bend this up toward the top. Let's add one more set. Coming down and then bend that up. Now from here it's going to bend the cheekbones, going up and then out. Now let's draw the bottom row of teeth. From the outside we're going to step in, goes down and in. And we'll add some teeth. Bend this up and then down. Now we're going to continue to work our way down towards the bottom. Just adding these curved teeth. We'll go back and forth from left to right. And add one more set on either side. From the corner of the mouth, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to come down, right up the chin, just underneath the mouth. Go across and then bend that up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top half of the head. We're going to go around the eye and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now we go up toward the top, round up the head, go across, and then bend that down. Now we're going to outline the dark area in the center of the head. Starting from the bottom corner of the eye, go around the corner of the mouth, and then down, and bend that back up. Let's go in between the eyes. Start with a point. Bend this out and up towards the left and right side, and then bring that back down. Let's add another point, going out and then up, going up higher in the middle. And we'll just tuck this in on top of the eyes. Now I want to switch to my thick black marker and fill the center area of the face. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side. We want to leave a gap underneath the head. Just going to bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now I want to add a spike across the hip. Step in, then this out and then up. And then bend this down and then in. From the hips, we're going to move to the center. Step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet coming out towards the first toe. So on the left, come down and out. And we'll bend this up and then in with a short curve. Let's layer 2 more toes on either side. From the tip, step up, bend this down and out, go up and then in. Let's add 1 more toe, stepping up. I just want to bend this up and then in on top of the foot. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to move out, we're going to add a spike. We're going to go out and then bend that up. Let's add a point, coming across the leg and in. Go up and in with a short line. Come down and in. And we'll bend this up towards the inside of the legs. Now we're going to go back up to the top underneath the spike, bend this out and down in behind. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line it up on the right. Now I want to open up the hand, so we're going to start with the thumb. Bend this around and then out. And we'll add a claw, going up and then out towards the hand. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Bend this out and then down towards the tip. Go up and bend that in. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers on either side. Stepping down, add that point, go up and then out. Now we'll add 1 more claw, halfway along the outside. Now just going to blend this in towards the forearm, going up and then in. Now I'm going to separate the forearms just like we did with the legs. From up here, it's going to extend this up, down and in. Got a small point going up and then down. And I'll blend this in towards the inside of the arms. From this point, we're going to step down, draw the outside of the arm going up, and then in underneath the head. Now we're going to extend some claws coming out from the shoulders. Let's start on the left side, bend this out, go up and in. Just going to add a claw going down. Let's taper this back in and just trace these curves along the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the tip with a curve on either side. Let's add a smaller one across the forearm. And then again, we'll just separate the tip. Let's go back up to the top. I'm just going to fill those tips in black. And now moving back to the center of the body, we're going to add that detail coming out from the center of the chest. Let's start right in the middle. We're just going to wobble this line going up underneath the head on the left. Leave a gap in the center, go up and now towards the right. I just want to add some thickness. Just coming around towards the bottom. Just close off that center. I'm just going to spread this out towards the left and right side of the body. Let's taper this back in towards the middle. Go out towards the side. Bring this back in. I'm just gonna add a couple more veins going out across the bottom and then down the middle. Let's fill that center area in black. Now I'm also going to add some veins coming out from the forearms and the bottom of the legs. So we'll start on the outside. Just going to wiggle this line going up and then in. And do the same thing across the legs. Just add a little bit more detail across the top of the eyes. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's where we draw Carnage from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.